So students, you can understand what are the two types of data, primary and secondary data, and how we are collecting primary and secondary data. Now students, when we want to go for the statistical inquiry, when we want to collect the information of the particular problem or particular situation, so we have to go through with the two methods. That is, the methods of statistical inquiry are census method and sample method. Suppose I am giving you one example that there are 2000 students in a college, and when you want to study about these 2000 students in a college, so there you can select the two methods are there, and from the two methods you can select any one. Suppose if you want to collect the information of each and every students of the college, that is from the 2000 students, you want to collect the students information of each and every student, so you will go for a census method. That is, in this method you are collecting the information of the individual person. That is, you are collecting the information of each and every person. And suppose from the 2000 students, if you are collecting the information not of everyone, but you are collecting some aggregate information, so you can go for a sample method. Sample method, you know that from suppose in this particular problem that you are collecting information of this college, that is, he is having 2000 students. So in that college you need to study and collect the information of each and every student, but you can go for a sample method. That is, from this 2000 students you will collect the sample. That is, you will make some group, and from that group you are collecting some sample, and from that sample you will collect the information of that 2000 student. So that in this way you will having two methods, either you go for a census method or either you go for a sample method. Means अगर आप हर एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की स्टडी करना चाहते हैं, एक इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको सेंसस मेथड से यूज करना होगा. बट अगर आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आप एक एक पर्सन की स्टडी कर सके, आपको कंबाइंड में स्टडी करनी है, यू हैव टू स्टडी द एग्रीगेट, सो यू विल गो फॉर द सैंपल मेथड. सैंपल मेथड में आप एक एक पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की स्टडी ना करके, बल्कि उसमें से एक पर्टिकुलर एक सेम पर्सन को आप द पर्सन हु इज हैविंग द qualities of all the person, so that person should be selected as a sample. So either you will select the census method or either you will select the sample method. This is according to the situation, according to the information you want to collect. आपको किस तरह की information collect करनी है, आपका purpose क्या है information को collect करने का, उसके according आप इन दोनों में से किसी एक method को select कर सकते हैं. That is, today's study is census and sample method of collection of data. That is, when you are going for the collection of data, either you can collect the census method and either you are taking sampling method. So there are two methods of data collection, census method and sample method. Census method जो है वो detailed investigation के लिए required है. That is, if you want to collect the information of each and every individual person, तो आपको census method use करना होगा. लेकिन अगर आप group में सैंपल के थ्रू अगर स्टडी करना चाहते हैं तो आपको सैम्पलिंग मेथड सिलेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द सेंसस मेथड. सेंसस मेथड, यू नो, census method is that method in which data are collected covering every item of the universe or population relating to the problem under investigation. Census method means it is the method जिसमें कि हम एक डिटेल्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर सकते हैं, हम एक एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की स्टडी कर सकते हैं. It is the method in which data are collected covering every item. इसमें हम हर आइटम की, every item of the universe, जो हमारे पास पूरे वर्ल्ड में जितनी टोटल पॉपुलेशन, अगर हम उसमें पूरी एक एक पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की स्टडी करना चाहते हैं, और यूनिवर्स और द पॉपुलेशन रिलेटिंग टू द प्रॉब्लम, उस प्रॉब्लम से जिस चीज की आप इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें हर एक एक पर्सन की पर्सनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन आप कलेक्ट करेंगे, तो दैट इज यू आर गोइंग फॉर सेंसस मेथड. तो आपको सेंसस मेथड यूज करना पड़ेगा. Census method, you know that we are collecting the information about the population. Now what is population? Population is the aggregate of the information. जब आपको information को collect कर रहे हो और उसमें आप एक aggregate ले रहे हो, means you are collecting each and every item of the population and then you are making the aggregate. So that is known as the population. It is the area of your study. It is the area of your